Each morning, I love waking up to that fresh air that you can feel.
My morning hygiene rituals are important to me, and so is the quality of water I use in my home.
While I try my best to prepare the kids' daily meals amidst my hectic schedule, cleaning up and maintaining a pest-free home can be a challenge.
I love my work, and while it can be stressful at times, it is reassuring to know that my health and wellness in my work environment are well cared for.
I hit the gym every day after work. With all that is happening, it's nice to know that there is a higher level of cleaning designed to fully protect me while I'm on their premises.
And in the end, it is nice to know that there is someone there beside you at every step of your day, making my life just a little bit better.